Hello everyone. As we discussed in the previous class, the example for three variable for the K map. Now we're discussing what example for four variable K map. Very important. Okay. So four variable K map. As I told you, there are two ways. One is SOP and POS. Now we'll discuss the SOP only. Okay. Four variable K map of SOP. Okay. As condition, as I told you in the SOP, you are using the multiplication symbol and you are using what? If it is 0, it becomes bar. Okay, these two you have to remember. Now example for the four variables. Four variables means 16 combinations, means that is 0 to 15. So if they give the example like this, f of a, b, c, d, then summation. Summation means the symbol, as I told you, it is a POS. So the number should be within 0 to 15. That is 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. This is the reduce using K. This is the example they are given. So first what you have to do? You have to draw the K map. So this is how you have to draw the K map. As I told you, there are 15 combinations will come. Numbering system is very important. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then four variable A, B, C, D are given. A, B will come here. C, D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Not 1, 0, 1, 1. Remember. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then the numbering system 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. First you have to write this one. Okay. Then here SOP. Then as I told you, if it is 0, then it will be a bar. So here A bar, B bar. This one becomes A bar, B. This becomes A, B. This becomes A, B bar. Now here C bar, D bar, because the variables are here C, D. Then C bar, D. Then C, D. This becomes C, D bar. This is first you have to note down perfect. Okay. Next the numbers what they are given, put that numbers into 0. Okay. So 0 is there, put the 0 here. Then 2 is there, put the 2 for 0. Then 4 is there, put the 0 here. Then the 5, 0. Then 6, 0. Then 8 will becomes 0. Then 10 will becomes here 0. Then 12 becomes 0. Then 14 becomes 0. Then 15. So 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. All the numbers we did now. Okay. Now, as I told you, first you have to check for what? Octet. Octet means 8 combinations. 8 combinations. Then only if there is no 8 combinations, then you have to go for the chord. How many chords will come? That many chords. How many 8 combinations will come? That many. Then the 4 combinations. Then the pair. Pair means 2 combinations. Okay. So you have to check order wise. Okay. First we will check for the what? Octet. That is 8 combinations. So here you go with the column wise and you go with the row wise. Okay. See here, very important, and lastly adjust also. Now you can see clearly here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So suddenly what you do is you do this one is one chord, this one is one chord. No, because there are two edges. If you combine these two, these 4 and these 4, it becomes what? 8. So that's why You have to write first octet. Don't do the chord here. Okay. If so, here if it is not there, then we can do this is a chord. Okay. Now what will happen? This and this 4. These 4 plus these 4. It becomes what? Octet 1. Octet 1. We'll see. Okay. Next, remain is what? These two only remain. Okay. So chord will not happen. Okay. Because see, this is also finished. This is also finished. In this row wise, if it is 0, then it becomes again chord. If it is 0 here, then it becomes again chord. Or it will become square. There is one chord. But here also it is not there. Here it is not there. So here also it is incomplete. Here also it is incomplete. We cannot do the chord. So here also this is not possible. So this will combine with this becomes a pair. Means next one you have to go for the 2. So this will combine for this. So it's already selected, but there is one which is not selected. That's why we can select it. This will not called overlapping. Okay, understood? So now what will happen? Pair 1 we got and pair 2 we got. This is pair 1, this is pair 2. So in this example, how many? 1 octet, 2 pairs. No chords we got. Okay. Now how should write this? As I told you, multiplication symbol, then in between plus. So take these 4 and these 4, that becomes octet 1. Okay. So I will see. So this one 0, that is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So octet 1, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, plus, that is a 0. Next 4. Okay. A bar, B, C bar, D bar. A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Plus 12. A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar. Plus last one. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Plus these 4. Okay. So 2. This row, this column. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Plus this one. A bar, B, C, D bar. A bar, B, C, D bar. Plus this one. A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar. Plus this one. A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar. So totally 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all these four combined one up. Now what you have to do? So whatever the common which are similar, you have to remove. See, take these two. In these two, which is a common? A bar is common. Then which is common? C bar is common. D bar is common. Remained is what? Remained is D plus D bar. D plus D bar becomes 1. When take these two, this one and this one. So in these two, which is a common? A is common. Okay. Plus A is a common. Then C bar is common. D bar is common. Remained is D plus D bar. Okay. Now take these two in this plus again, which is common? A bar is common. Then C is common, D bar is common, remained is D plus D bar. Then take these two plus A is common, these two. Then C is common, D bar is common, remained is D plus D bar. So all C plus D bar, B plus D bar, whatever it is, it becomes 1. So whatever the remained is A bar, C bar, D bar plus A, C bar, D bar plus A bar, C, D bar plus A, C, D bar. So if you want to reduce more, you can reduce it. So take again these two. Any common again, C bar is there, D bar is there. So what remain? A plus A bar. Then again here in these two, it will be C, D bar. Remained is A plus A bar. So what you got? C bar, D bar plus C D bar. So again check any similar same are there, which is D bar, which is remained again C plus D bar. We got what finally? D bar. Okay, so octet 1 we got D bar. Okay, so next second one we have to do what? That is pair. This is what the octet. So pair 1 I will take. So these two. So A bar B. Okay, A bar B, C bar D bar plus this one A bar B, 5 is here, C bar D. So take the common. So any common, A bar is common in this and B is common and C bar is common. Remained is D plus D bar. So whatever the remained is A bar B, C bar. Then the pair 2 is these two. Okay, so first we will take this one A, B. So you can take 14, 15, anything, no problem. Okay, so A, B, C, D plus this one A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar. So again common, A is common, B is common, C is common. Remained is D plus D bar. So we got A, B, C. Okay, for the octet we got D bar. For the pair 1 we got A bar, B, C bar. For the pair 2 we got A, B, C. Finally, what you should write? F is equal to, this is the final expression, F is equal to D bar plus A bar B, C bar, A bar B, C bar plus A, B, C. This is the reducing final expression. Okay, understood? So this is how you have to do the 4 variable K-map. First they will give, this is a SOP. Okay, this is a symbol SOP. These are the numbers they will give. First draw the map with the correct numbers. Then whatever the numbers they will give, put the 0. Check with the order wise. That is, first you have to check with octet. If there is no octet, go for the chord. How many chords will possible? That chords you have to do. Then after finishing chords, if there are remain anything, go for the pair. Okay. So here in this example, what happened? Here the 4 are there, here 4 are there. When you combine this, it becomes 1 octet. No 2 chords. Don't do the 2 chords. Only 1 octet. Then remained is only this one and this one. So we did, this one is 1 pair, this one is 1 pair. And take all this and reduce the expression. Okay, for everything. If there are, again you got 2 chords or 3 chords or 4 pairs, you have to reduce all expressions for particular chord or your pairs. So here we got octet, we reduce it. We got pair, we reduced. We got pair, we reduced. Finally, write the expression. This is the final expression for this K-map, for SOP. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss one example for POS. Thank you.